Hey, it's Jack here. We're back in Henderson, Nevada. We're at Ethel M Chocolates. We're going to walk around their Christmas light exhibit. Let's go check it out. Well, we just came in. They've got these signs around here. If you get lost, please see a security guard for assistance. As we come up here, stay off the rocks, stay on the path, and do not touch the plants. And after all, who'd want to touch a bunny cactus anyway? That might just hurt. On this side, we come across Santa. And next to Santa, on the other side of the cactus, is Mrs. Claus. Now back here, we got some Christmas balls. There's Cocaine Bear up there. And blue cactus and more Christmas balls over here on the right side. On our way, we can see these elves here putting presents in Santa's sack. Over here, we're coming up on some reindeer. Well, they're guiding us up this ramp here. Don't know what's on the other side, but when we get there, we'll find out. And we come up here, there is a stage. They've got the flames lit up to keep people warm. It is going to get down in the 40s tonight. Currently, it's in the mid-50s and kind of comfortable. And it says, for your safety, please stay off the stage. This brings us into the food and drink area. And speaking of drinks, here's the drink menu right here. They have martinis, peanut butter, dark chocolate, a mocktail, beer and wine, hot spiked cider, and hot cider, non-alcoholic. Everything else has a little bit of holiday spirit in there, if you know what I mean. Coming into the food and drink area, the outhouses are off to the left. And here's a trailer over here where you can pick up your food and your beverages. Well, here's their menu. They got a double hot chocolate, a peppermint hot chocolate. There's hot coffee, bottled water. There's their food. Savory bites and sweet treats. If you're wanting to pick up your holiday spirits, this is where you do it. This is the adult section where they have the alcohol beverages. Next to the left sign, we have mixed pecan brittle, Ethel M's chocolates, and next to Ethel M's chocolates, we have sea salt caramels. There's a photo op. This is a Santa sleigh right here, all decked out with Ethel M chocolates there on top. It's kind of dark, it's hard to make out, but that is a big chocolate candy heart, or a facsimile thereof, as we leave the food and beverage area, where we go through the arch. We got this guy ice skating out here in the desert. And now it's time to go through the arch. Well, one thing to note, the Ethel M Chocolates is right on the flight path for Las Vegas International Airport. And when you come here, you'll see plenty of planes flying overhead. But that plane goes overhead, we'll walk on through here. We saw these lollipops from the other side. Now we can stand directly in front of them and give you a bird's eye view. Now we got more reindeer over here. Well, a sign reads here, paper spine cactus, which are down here. They are not illuminated with Christmas lights. They have the floodlighting lighting them up. But beyond those paper spine cactus are more cacti illuminated. On the other side of the arch here, we've got an elf guiding a reindeer. Come over here, we've got more Christmas stars. And we see more of those Christmas illuminated balls on this tree here. As we walk over here behind this bush, family of snow people. We got Father Snowman, Mother Snowman, and Baby Snowman. And while we're on the topic of snowman, over here on this side, we've got more snowmen. We have Papa Snowman pulling the sled with his son Snowman. And when we flip around the other side, we see more snowmen over here. Well, here's a great example of just what some floodlighting will do for some plants. Just absolutely beautiful with the lighting that changes the color on these big prickly pear cactus. Over here is another snowman. And we have a snowman in a snow globe right there. Over here we got more reindeer. Well, I could not imagine being the person that has to put these lights on and take these lights off, these prickly pear cacti right here, or any of these spiny cacti for that matter. As we walk over here, we can see the blue floodlights have illuminated this whole area. And in the back here, we have some peacock just hanging out, giving us a light show. Well, if you look carefully, you can see some dancing angels here in the background. As we walk further up here, we can see these illuminated elves are out here getting ready to deliver some packages to some good kids. Over here we got some penguins balancing some Christmas gifts on their beaks. As we walk up here further, we can see more penguins doing the same. Over here we got our Christmas llamas bringing some packages to some good kids out there. Well, as we go through this final set of arches, guarantee you this is going to drop us right into the chocolate factory, where they're going to give us their gift shop and want to spend some money on some good chocolate. And just like clockwork, we're dropped right into the chocolate factory. And out this way you can buy those gift boxes of chocolate, which we'll look at momentarily. Well, because of the time of night, the assembly line is currently closed. Last year when I covered this location, they were here making chocolates. Tonight, it is a weekend night. They are closed. They've got that assembly line ready to go for the next time. Just amazes me the work that goes in these big vats and how much chocolate they can make. When we come up here, the place is kept immaculate, as you would expect for a food area. Again, they were making chocolates. I'll link my video from last year onto this video to where you can watch it and see how the chocolates are being made. And for those who didn't know, Ethel M is a subsidiary of Immerse chocolates. Well, as I came down here, I spoke too soon. We do have people working and boxing chocolates. Gotta love these photo ops they have here at Ethel M. Tells about that classic collection. And that classic collection, or a facsimile thereof, is right here in front of us. Well, here's Season's Greetings, and these are the different type of chocolate displays they have. They have cherry cordials on the left side, cream liqueurs. They got truffles here in the gold, nuts and caramels in the blue, and then in the purple on the side here, that's their satin creams. Here's more gift selection here. And if you want to spend a little more money, they've got bigger chocolate selections here. 24 pieces of the liqueurs will set you back about $55. In fact, all these boxes we're looking at right here are $55. We have dark chocolate on the left, milk chocolate in the middle, truffles on the right, and on the bottom rack we have sea salt caramels, milk chocolate on the bottom, and nuts and caramels on the right. Pecan brittle is your thing. They've got you covered here. 24 mixed pecan brittle is $60. That's right here in the middle. Over here there's more gift boxes. Over here they have various chocolate bars available. You have peanut butter, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, lemon satin cream, and the yellow over there. As we walk around, we can see the different varieties they have. They even have sugar-free dark chocolate right here on the right in the blue. For $45, you can get this Taste of Vegas Ethel M chocolate tin. And this is what's in that chocolate tin. Well, over here, there's larger chocolate bars. They're $9 each. You can see here we've got brown batter ganache, we got caramel, bar ganache, and so forth here. They've got all sorts of different flavors. Well, February coming up, Super Bowl is going to be here in Las Vegas, and they've got their Super Bowl classic sampler, 5-piece for $20 each. If you're wondering what's inside that $20 5-piece assortment, there you go right there. Oh, here's our classic chocolate collection. 16 pieces, $42.32 for 65. This is a classic collection right here. And over here, this is the Chocolatiers collection. And if you want to get some coffee to go with your chocolate, they've got that available too. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk-around tour at Ethel M Chocolates here in Henderson, Nevada for Christmas 2023. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.